48 teams entered the World Cup, more than ever before. 32 of them survived the group stage. Some of the best teams in the world go home after 3 matches, and some teams that nobody expected to survive do. The group stage is where the World Cup actually begins. Here is exactly how it works. 48 teams are divided into 12 groups of 4. Each group is labeled A through L. 12 groups total. Every team in a group plays every other team in that group. That means 3 matches each. No more, no less. Win, 3 points. Draw, 1 point each. Lose, 0. At the end of the group stage, the teams are ranked by points. The top 2 teams from each group advance automatically. That is 24 teams through. But there is more. The 8 best third-place teams also advance, making 32 teams total in the knockout stage. Some teams win 9 points out of 9 and still get criticized. This is football. And some teams scrape 4 points and their manager gets a statue. Context is everything. Third place? Maybe. It depends on how other groups play out. Nobody likes this uncertainty. It exists anyway. But what happens when teams are level on points? First, goal difference, then goals scored, then head-to-head result, then fair play points, yellow and red cards, and if everything is still equal, drawing of lots. Someone picks a name from a hat. In a World Cup, in the 21st century, this has never actually happened, but the rule exists, just in case. Every World Cup has one group that everyone talks about. The group of death, where multiple title contenders end up in the same group, where the best team might not even make it through. Every team that draws the group of death just sighs. The draw is held months before the tournament. One pull of a name changes everything. Same draw. One team gets the group of death. Another gets 3 winnable matches. Everything decided in 30 seconds. The group stage produces some of the most dramatic football of the entire tournament, because every match matters, even the first one. Lose your first match and the pressure on the next 2 becomes enormous. Win your first 2 and the third becomes about managing your squad. The last round of group stage matches is played simultaneously, so no team can know the other result first and change their strategy. A goal in one match can instantly change what teams need to do in another. Teams sometimes need a draw, sometimes they need to win by exactly 2 goals. The math of the group stage can be brutal and beautiful. Before the draw, teams are seeded into 4 pots. The best teams go into pot 1 and are kept apart in the early rounds. The idea is to prevent the best teams from eliminating each other too early, in theory. In practice, the group of death still happens, but it is the system everyone uses. The group stage is where everything is decided before anything is decided. 3 matches, 3 results, 1 path through. Now you know how it works. Next time you watch the group stage, you will see the tension underneath. The game has not changed. You have. You're welcome.